If you love those strawberry shortcake ice cream bar vibes, wait until you see this no-bake strawberry crunch cheesecake with clean, bakery-style slices and a crackly crunch topping. Stay to the end, because the crunch trick is what makes it next level. Everything you need is simple cream cheese, mascarpone, whipped cream, fresh strawberries, and the secret weapons, freeze-dried strawberries and a white chocolate crunch. Start by lining a 9-inch springform pan with parchment on the bottom. This one step makes the clean release so much easier later. Now brown the butter about 3 to 4 minutes. When it smells nutty and you see those amber bits, pull it off the heat. This crust is salty sweet perfection, graham crumbs, pretzels, brown sugar, and a little freeze-dried strawberry powder, then pour in that browned butter. Press it down really firmly. This is how you get slices that don't crumble. Pop the pan in the fridge while we make the filling. This is a no-bake cheesecake, but we do cook a quick strawberry concentrate. It gives big strawberry flavor without watering down the filling. Stir in a quick cornstarch slurry and cook just a minute or to stop when it's thick and glossy. That's how your swirl stays defined. Let that strawberry ribbon cool to room temp. If you're in a hurry, spread it out. More surface area cools it faster. This tiny bit of gelatin is the difference between a soft mousse and a cheesecake that slices clean. Sprinkle it over cold water and let it bloom. Whip cold heavy cream to medium peak soft, creamy, and holding its shape. Then chill it while we mix the base. Deep full fat brick cream cheese with mascarpone until it's totally smooth. Then mix in sour cream, powdered sugar, vanilla, lemon zest, and a pinch of salt. Melt the bloom gelatin for just a few seconds, don't boil it. Temper it with a little cheesecake mixture. Mix it back in, then gently fold in the whipped cream so it stays light. Layer half the filling, add strawberry ribbon, then repeat. Do just 6 to 8 gentle swirls. If you overdo it, the ribbon disappears. Chill at least 6 hours overnight is even better. Right before serving, toss shortbread crumbs, freeze-dried strawberries, and puffed rice with melted white chocolate to make crackly clusters. Add the crunch on top. Slice with a hot dry knife, and for the full written recipe, check the link in the first pinned comment or visit nobakedessertslab.com.